We're here today in front of this absolutely sweet open concept house. It was built in 1954 here in McKellar Heights, and this is the second owner. Nobody moves from this area once they move in. Only the second owner, and it's been totally renovated in 2019. So I'm really excited to be showing this one to you. You're in a great spot. You're just around from the Jewish community, the Soloway Jewish Community Center. And then you're also walking distance to the Jewish Community School. Want groceries? You just walk across the street to one of my favorite grocery stores in the city, and that's Produce Depot. And in there, they have the best fruit and vegetables and killer fish. Beside that, you've got time and again. Walk down the street, you can get a cup of coffee. You are so well situated here, which is one of the key reasons why people just don't move. Single car garage and just a sweet house. Ideal for empty nesters with minimal yard space to have to be taken care of, which is great. One level living if you prefer, but a great finished basement too. Or ideal for a starter home for someone. This is a young couple living here who are being torn away from it because in this area for work. So it could be yours. Come on inside now and have a look. So welcome to the inside now. I love this. I love the open concept. These are entertainers. I love entertaining, and this just says, oh, come to my house. This is the darkest, most miserable possible day to do a photo shoot and a video shoot. It is awful. And look how bright it is in here. On a sunny day, it's a steady flow of beautiful light in here because of the orientation. And this house was designed around that light, and it's gorgeous. You've got so many nice upgrades here. Lovely wood-burning fireplace, which is used, and they enjoy that so much. And this kitchen, again, renovated in 2019 with granite countertops, high-end upgrades throughout it. Some lovely accent pieces too, which I love, which are all staying with the shelving and everything. All the appliances are staying too. Great hood fan, which is, professional hood fan here to be able to do. And it's just a lovely space. I want you to come, and soft close kitchen doors too, which is nice, and drawers, which I always like that in a house. Come down and I'll show you the bedrooms now. Vinyl windows here in all of our bedrooms. We've got great insulation factor with these windows. I love this bathroom and the renovations that they've done in here. It's a 5-piece, and so it's ideal for that family, that young family, or as I mentioned, the empty nesters. Great space in here. And it continues down here to the lower level. This is such a great finished area. As you can see, they have it set up so well, and you could follow their example with a great TV space in here. They have their home office nook. And then you've got good ceiling height so that you've got all of your gym equipment here also. It's a great spot. And then we also have our sleepover nook where you can come and sleep over. Come and have a look at this killer bathroom too. Here we have this absolutely lovely bathroom on the lower level, a 3-piece, and they love this shower too. This laundry room is so great. You've got great space in here to be able to put even additional cabinetry if you wanted to have in here, or a freezer. So lots of storage space. And then this door goes into workshop area, your utility room. We've got great summer pictures for you too on our website showing the backyard and this amazing deck that they've built. So be sure to have a look there and see what all of this has to offer you in the summer. It's a custom-built deck with great seating, great planter areas, and an area for you to be able to slide your barbecue right in. So it's a great entertaining spot here too. Enjoy.